In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Campaigns section, so head over to your Klaviyo homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Campaigns. This will take you to all your existing campaigns where you can manage further details. Once you're in the Campaigns section, the next step is to open the campaign editor. Look for the specific campaign that you want to edit. You'll see a 3 dots menu next to your campaign name. Click on that, and a drop-down will appear. From there, select Edit Campaign. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can make changes. Now, don't forget to click the Edit button in the top corner to enter the drag-and-drop designer. This is where all the magic happens. Now, let's add an image block to your email. In the block sidebar, which is usually on the left side of your screen, look for the image block element. Click and drag it into your email content layout, positioning it exactly where you want your image to appear. This can be at the top, in the middle, or right at the bottom. It's all up to your preference. After placing your image block, it's time to upload and apply your image. Click on the Select Image button that's located inside the blank block you just created. This will pop up an options menu. Choose the Upload Image option to select an image file from your computer. You can browse through your files to find the perfect image that complements your campaign. Once you've found the right image, click on it and then select Open or Choose, depending on your device. Now that you have your image selected, you'll need to preview it within your design. A quick preview will help you ensure you have the right image and that it looks good within the context of your email. If everything looks great, go ahead and click Continue to move on. And last but definitely not least, don't forget to click Upload to save your changes and ensure your image is integrated into your email design. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image into Klaviyo. It's a simple process that can really enhance your email marketing by making your campaigns more visually appealing. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you can catch more tips and tricks on using Klaviyo and other marketing